I will show you exactly how to check your screen time on a Motorola phone. I am using a Motorola G54 in this tutorial. First, open your settings. Scroll down and tap Digital Wellbeing on Parental Controls. Right here, you will see your screen time for today at glance. You can see the total screen time for the current day, which apps you have used, how many notifications you have received, and how many times you have unlocked your phone. For a deeper look into your screen time, tap View Activity Details. That's it for now. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching.